Welcome to Zape Learning app.
Hello, smart learners. Today, we are going to learn how to identify objects. Objects are things we see around us every day. Let's look, point, and say their names together. Objects are things we can see, touch, or use. For example, book, pencil, cup. Each object has a name, and we can say what it is. Look, what is this? It's round and bouncy. Yes, it's a ball. Here's another one. It's red, juicy, and tasty. Yes, it's an apple. Now look at this. We read it, and it has pages. That's right, it's a book. What is this? Bag. What is this? Cup. What is this? Pen. Let's review. Objects are things we see every day. Each object has a name. By looking carefully, we can identify and say their names. Fantastic work, object finders. Now you can point at things and say their names. Keep practicing at home. Look around and name what you see. Bye-bye, clever learners.
Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.